Alright, welcome back to my channel, Alvin Voyage. This is transiting Malacca Street, Singapore channel, navigation or related video. Alright guys, this is a guide. This nautical publication NP286 volume 4. Alright, so we just check this Singapore, the guide, BTS, port, and pilot services. Yeah, okay. Here, when you are transiting in Malacca Street, there is a guide. There is some sector divided into sector 9, sector 8, sector 7, and also they have also channel. So they have monitoring, BTIS monitoring, radio monitoring. Alright guys, we will going to Panjang, Indonesia. So our destination is eastbound. So this eastbound in Malacca Street is no problem, not so traffic. But be careful guys when you are westbound, little bit traffic because of this port of Singapore. Many ship going to anchorage and also bunkering. So when you are not in Singapore, maybe it much better in this westbound lane. We are going to little bit on the port side, because when you are in the starboard side, many vessel inbound and outbound, and also going to pilot area. In this area guys, be careful when you are westbound or eastbound, because there are also many towing tag crossing going to south, and then after passing this eastbound lane, they are going to westbound. You see this, all of this came from southbound, and then after out of this lane and the eastbound going to westbound. So be careful guys, many towing tag and also ship. So be careful guys, always keep listening your BHF radio channel 1610 in this area, and sector 9, BTIS sector 9. Alright guys, keep monitoring your BHF radio on the designated channel, also on the designated sector area. Alright guys, as you can see in the radar, many ship, all green triangle, all of those are ship. So be careful guys, keep monitoring, because BTIS radio monitoring, they will give you advice, they will call you anytime, yes, for navigational information. It's all guys, don't forget to subscribe and share so that we can help our fellow seafarers first time in Malacca Street, Singapore channel. Thank you, mabuhay tayong lahat.